So we're here today talking about the way that we can get from drone to tractor with the eBee Ag. I'm here with Ben. My name is Nathan, and we're just going to kind of go through the workflow and how this happens. So the steps that it's going to take to get this done from drone to tractor is we're going to first start out by taking the eBee, flying the area and surveying it. We'll do a quick analysis right here on the field, and then scout that area and see some of the areas that we're interested in. From there, we're basically just going to make a nice prescription in the office, put some values to it, then bring it to the tractor, and then we should be working by this afternoon here real quick. So Ben, right here what we have is the eBee Ag, and a very lightweight and safe platform that we use for imaging crops. This comes included with a near-infrared camera, so it's ready to do the NDVI. All we have to do is make a really quick flight profile and send it up. We've got the mission loaded, everything's ready to go. All I want you to do is if you could throw this up for me, I'd appreciate it.
Good, I'm happy to.
So hold it, shake it 3 times, face the wind. When the light's green, you can go ahead and throw it.
Okay, let's try.
So the flight's completed, and now that we've got the data, we've processed the images on the computer here, very quick time, and have a quick NDVI of this field that we can indicates really quite easily the good and the bad spots of the field by the red and the green. This tablet's GPS enabled, so we can see our location. Let's go walk and see what these spots look like in the field. So we're just arriving at a spot right here that shows that we're in the middle of low NDVI value. You can see in the crosshairs, we're standing right in the middle of this spot. You know, tell me, what do you think you see here, Ben?
There are definitely fewer plants here, perhaps due to winter kill or even bad emergence in the fall.
Yeah, so pretty well corresponds with what the map's saying, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go check out another spot.
Great.
Okay, so we're getting to an area right here. You can see on the crosshairs that we're standing in a spot that has a pretty high NDVI value. I don't know, what do you think?
Well, yes, it's right. It looks like a well-established stand. The crop is definitely better, so it seems to match the map.
We're back in the office here, and we've taken all the data off of the eBee, and we've loaded it onto our office computer here. And what we're going to do is take a look at making an application map. Okay. This looks similar to our rapid processing that we did, except this time we're going to go in and use the index calculator. So this map I've already generated. I just set our resolution and I hit click generate. So we have both fields in here, and we need to probably analyze those both separately. This is nice. We can actually just click and add 1 and 2. Click field A and field B. So during this I can just make field A by clicking and dropping the points across the field. And the reason why we do this is so that we analyze just the field, the crop that we want around a house or a road. We don't want to analyze what the road information says. We want to only analyze exactly where the crop was placed. For the simplicity, we're just going to choose the NDVI and click generate. And like that, we have a nice map for each region. So what you can see right now is we've got this broke down into 5 classes from red to green. Each one's broken out in equal area parts. On the 0 areas, we probably put about 0 fertilizer, since those areas were probably drowned out. But on these areas, perhaps maybe 50, 40, 30, and 20 on the way up to our better ground that we conserve our fertilizer. So we hit export, and the file's already created. We put all of our instructions on here. We have shape files loaded. All we have to do is put it on the tractor and go out and spread. Now load the prescription, and we're ready to go.
This was pretty easy. What else might I be able to do with the data?
So for example, we did the fertilizing recommendation for this field, but we could actually use it for maybe doing things like planting prescriptions, maybe seeding rates, or finding some different, depending on the soil moisture. You could also use fertilizer we've covered, but you can also do spraying, maybe insects or other damage or pests that we have. Actually quite a few different things throughout the season.
All right, this sounds exciting. Thank you, Nathan, for this.